Ciao and welcome to this new video. My name is Giulio and I teach Italian. If you already know my channel, you probably know that I'm used to speaking 100% in Italian in all my lessons. Because I do believe that listening to Italian content is the best way to immerse yourself in the language. And of course, get used to its sound. But in this new lesson, I'm going to talk about a topic aimed to beginners. That's why I decided to speak English, to make sure that also the students who are complete beginners in the Italian language will understand this lesson. So I will suggest this video to students who are just starting out with the Italian language and need some basic grammar clarification. So let's start talking about the verb piacere. Well, this verb always creates problems to students of the Italian language because it doesn't work like any other Italian verb. Let's take these basic sentences. Io mangio la mela. Tu viaggi in Italia. You can see that every Italian sentence is made of subject, verb, and object. The object can be either a direct object, so la mela, or an indirect object, in Italia, because there is a preposition preceding the noun. When you use the verb piacere in Italian, the construction of the sentence changes because it works the other way around. So for example, I like Italy. This is a standard sentence in English where you use a subject, then a verb, and an object. In Italian we would say mi piace l'Italia. So basically what happens is that the object of the first English sentence becomes the subject of the Italian sentence. And then the subject becomes the object, the indirect object, me. It's like saying Italy pleases to me. That's exactly how the Italian sentence works. To make sure you understand the Italian structure, I have to introduce you the indirect pronouns. These pronouns are the most important part of the sentence when you're learning how to use the verb piacere. The Italian indirect pronouns are mi, a me, ti, a te, gli, le, a lui, a lei, ci, a noi, vi, a voi, gli, a loro. So I like will be mi piace, you like, ti piace, he, she likes, gli, le piace, we like, ci piace, you guys like, vi piace, and they like, gli piace. The second pronoun starting with an A is another form of the pronoun. We call it forma tonica. We are not using now. We are going to understand the difference between these two pronouns in another video. Let's try to translate some sentences together to understand some common mistakes and how the sentence with the verb piacere actually works. He likes pizza. It is gli piace la pizza. My brother likes rock music. Pay attention, it's not mio fratello piace la musica rock. It's not like the English structure, but I say a mio fratello piace la musica rock. So that A in front of the person who likes the thing is very important in Italian. Sara likes the cinema. A Sara piace il cinema. I know it takes some time to get into the logic of the Italian sentence, but I'm sure that after many examples and exercises will become much easier and you'll get used to it. So you must remember to switch the subject in an object by putting an A in front of the person who likes the thing, which in our case is the indirect object. Every time you translate an English sentence with the verb to like in Italian, I suggest you think about the thing liked and then the person who likes it. This will help you easily create the Italian sentence. As you can see, we have always used the third singular person, piace, but you have probably already heard piacciono. Well, the thing liked in the previous examples was always singular. La pizza, la musica, il cinema. But what happens if the thing liked is plural? In these cases, we are going to use piacciono. So pay attention, we are not talking about the person who likes, but the thing liked. Let's see a couple of examples. Gianni likes apples. A Gianni piacciono le mele. Do you like Italian novels? Ti piacciono I romanzi italiani? So every time you have to use the verb piacere, don't think about the person who likes, like in English, but think about the object, the thing the subject likes. That will help you to choose the right person of the verb to use. Piace or piacciono. Last thing, if you just want to say that you like an activity, so you're basically using a verb after piacere, well, piacere is simply followed by the infinitive form. She likes traveling. Le piace viaggiare. Mario and Riccardo like playing chess. A Mario e Riccardo piace giocare a scacchi. Do you like studying the Italian language? Ti piace studiare la lingua italiana? Do you like studying Italian? Ti piace studiare l'italiano? Let me know in the comments below. So I really hope that the video has been useful to you. Try to practice this topic with the exercises I've personally prepared for you. You can find them in my website in the description. And I see you soon in the next lesson. Ciao, buono studio!